DJI Neo. Can it fly like a Mini? Can this thing do what a Mini can do? All right. Does it have the range and the camera quality to fly like a Mini 2, say? All right. Let's check out its video quality. Let's check out its flight characteristics, and then some of its point of interest tools that we can use for being able to photograph objects in fixed position. All right. All right, so here we go. Dead random. I'm going to fire up the Neo. There it is. She's all fired up. Controller 3 and DJI Fly app. We should be able to take off from my hand. And we're going to do there's our takeoff. There's our video. And oh boy, she is loud, isn't she? All right. And we're in normal mode right now. Video looks pretty good. Looks like we have a really good histogram. Only problem is it's just it's not being very kind to people. So we're going to put it in sport mode. And we're already at 90%, so if that gives you an idea about what we're facing today. But there is no wind, so it's... And I can still hear it really good. So the noise is carrying. So if we want to fly in some form of incognito mode, this is not happening. So we're just gonna try to get to the top of the mesa here, and then we'll just bring her back down. We should be able to. It's well within the range of the battery. So we're flying like we're flying a Mini, or a Mini 2, or a Mini 4 with a stationary camera. We should have pretty good signal. Yeah, signal looks good. Not getting too many ripples, but we are pushing the envelope of video transmission, and there is it. Yeah, but we should be able to make it. I don't see any problem. 79%. Looks like our horizontal and vertical speeds are matching.
Max altitude reached.
And that's it. That's all I can do. So with this particular drone, we're not going to be able to make it up there because we do have a maximum altitude, and it's not going to let us do that. So I'm going to go turn it and just make sure we're not going to hang up on any bushes. So with this bird, you want to get physically as high as possible. You can see I got the gimbal very smooth, so I can't get as high as the Avata. But as far as time is concerned, I have plenty of time to fly. It's not like I'm running out of time. So there's the edge of the cliff. We could spin around, back out maybe, back out of the cliff. Get a little bit of a reverse shot there. So pretty up there. Now, I do have auto exposure locked. Let's see, let me look down here. So one of the things I did with my function key is I exposed, there we go. You gotta turn that off right there. But we can do some active track or some position track with objects. Is the flag up today? Yeah, there's the flag right there. So if we want to use the flag as our position, let's go right there. And we're just going to do that. We're going to spotlight that specific object. And the drone is here, let's go right there. Select that again. All right, tap go. Okay, so we have a point of interest selected. Let's just move it a little bit so we can spotlight it. Come on here. Yeah, we're gonna have to come back here in a second, so. All right, I was trying to do a quick, here, we could do a spotlight. Select. There we go, now it's spotlighting. You can see the little marker. That's really nice. All right, we gotta take her home. We've got to take her home. So there's our spotlight. Our spotlight from a great distance. Love that virtual home point. Love that virtual home point. It's going to take us back. I am kind of disappointed in the fact that I can't get that extra little bit of height. But we're coming home and we've got plenty of time to come home. But it is very loud. I mean, that's, especially in a small town like this where it's morning, it's Saturday, and maybe somebody's sitting out on their patio. They're going to be a little bit perturbed. But what are we going about? It says we're going 50 miles an hour, 49. With goggles, the experience is much more better. Oh my gosh, you can just hear that thing. You can hear that thing just whining. But no wind today. It is cute though. It is cute. All right, there it is. We are now in the video. All right, bring it in. So we were doing a little position lock. There. It is cute, isn't it? Look at that. All right. You're landing. I do like the fact that if you just put your hand out, it does land. So, all right. So for Dad Random and the Neo, can it fly like a Mini? Yeah, it can. It can fly like a Mini. Dad Random.